It has to be established prima facie that political parties in this country, and whatsoever shade they have indulged in identity politics for reasons known best to history. And it's not a question of whose politics is better or not. It's a question of whether they stand for India or not. Right. Today, we have a situation where a particular political party,
name it,
Congress party, is hands in glove with lot of politicians, a lot of new mushrooming political identities who have coined terms like vitamin M for Muslims. And this is something which people do not want to discuss on live national television because it's politically incorrect. This is a party which has not only perpetuated this kind of politics, this is a party which has created a reactionary brand of politics in this country, which is being given different names. And it is unfortunate that youth of this country, people like us, have to choose between lesser evils. And I'll tell you why I support Sambit Patra ji and Bharatiya Janata Party. Because this is a party which has openly advocated and said Vande Matram. This is a party which has openly come out and said, come what may, we will not align with anti-India forces. Come what may, we will not take funds from PFI. Where are the new leaders? Why can't the new leaders come out in the open and say that we want funds from the general public? Fund us based on ethics and morality. People like Varis ji and hold on. Arey bhaiya, यही बोला मैंने, इसी आप लोग जिस तरह से कूद पड़ते हैं, जिस तरह से आप कूद पड़ते हैं जब युवा आवाज उठाता है, क्योंकि आपको पता है कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी कट गई आपसे, मेरी आवाज उठती और आपको पता है कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी कटी। अरे वारिस जी दोबारा रिपीट कर देती हूँ, आपको बहुत तेज दर्द होता है ना, दोबारा रिपीट करती हूँ। एक ओबीसी प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने एक दलित प्रेसिडेंट के